Hello, and welcome to today's episode of the Metex Sprayer Tooltips video series. In today's video, we're going to show you how to troubleshoot a common pressure issue with the Chapin 1949. Now let me show you how it's done. So, on site, you'd unbox your sprayer and set it up, attaching the lance and filling up with your desired chemical. But when you start to pump your sprayer to create pressure, nothing happens. What you have to do is remove the internal pump assembly. You'll notice that the brass tube is loose when you twist it. All you have to do is hold the tri-lock steady and turn the brass tube clockwise to tighten and secure the pump assembly. Now this is done, pop it back in and pump up your sprayer. It's as easy as that. Don't forget to keep your eye out on our channel, subscribe and turn on the notifications because we've got loads more hints and tips videos coming soon.